Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you accidentally deleted important files from your Mac, emptied the trash or lost data from an external drive? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac to scan your drive and recover deleted or lost files. So let's get started. What is EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard? EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a data recovery tool that can help you recover deleted or lost files from your Mac, external hard drives, USB drives, memory cards, and other storage devices. It supports different types of files including photos, videos, documents, audio files, and many more. Keep in mind that recovery is not guaranteed, especially if the deleted data has already been overwritten. Okay, so now let's start the video. First, open your browser and search for EaseUS Data Recovery for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website of EaseUS. Simply open it. Switch to Mac. Now you can see here the free download button. Simply click on it. Now your download will start, as you can see here, and on this page you will see here the steps to install it with the images. As you can see, it is successfully downloaded. Now let's install it. Simply double click on this DMG file. Now you can see here the installer mode. Simply double click on this icon. Now click on open. As you can see here, the downloading process of data recovery tool EaseUS is started. You can see here the interface on my screen. If macOS is asked for security settings, then go on System Preferences and then allow that required permission. Now provide your Mac password here, then click on OK. And that's it. Now you can see here the interface of EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Now how to recover it? Simply just select the drive where the file is deleted and you want to recover it. Then after selecting the drive, just simply you can see here search for lost data. Simply click on it. Now I have to give permission. You can see here which permission it is asking for. Open security and setting. Then click on the lock. Now provide your Mac password here. Now click on OK. Now you can see here it is want me to allow this. Click on allow and click on restart. Now simply select it and then click on search for lost data. Okay, and of this app there are free version and paid version. Okay, the amount of data you can recover for free is limited, while larger recovery jobs may require a paid plan. So before purchasing the software, check the current plan and recovery limits on the official EaseUS website from where we have downloaded this app. And that's how you can use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac to scan your Mac or external storage and recover deleted files. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.